Good afternoon, everyone. Adam, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video, as long as it's not dark outside yet. 1971 Ford Mustang Fastback. This beautiful blue car, grabber blue, 347 stroker under the hood, automatic overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, Magnum 500s, BF Goodrich, radial TAs. What an absolute gorgeous car. Let's just start this thing up for you right now. Let's hear it run. Let's hear it roar. Retro radio, automatic, nice little console, all new interior in the car, the seats, the carpet, the headliner, the package tray, the radio, the speakers. Check out the jams. Just one absolutely beautiful car. The car came out of Arizona. It's very, very clean underneath. The lights are all working. The exhaust sounds great. There's no bubbles, there's no blisters, no imperfections down the bottom of the car that I see. Chrome bumper, both front and rear in great shape. Beautiful hood. Hold on. There we go. Sorry, I had to set you down there for a second. Autolite battery top cover, Ford racing valve covers, aluminum intake, Holley carburetor, serpentine belt, all chromed out underneath the hood, strut tower braces, stainless billet overflow can, just as beautiful underneath the hood. Braided hoses. What a gorgeous ride. You'll see pictures on my website of the inside the trunk, a bunch more of the interior. Package tray, sail panels, headliner. See, the wipers are not working. I heard the compressor kick on. Gaps are very nice on this car. You can see everything from the reflection on the table in the car too. The only thing we go. Turn that radio on. Gauges work, amp gauge, alternator gauge, gas gauge, tach. They are all working. Horn. The only thing I tried that didn't work was the wipers. We'll get them fixed. All the exterior lights seem to work. What a pretty car. I don't think they come in too many prettier colors. Gorgeous Tuesday afternoon here in Iowa. Say, I don't know how many more drive videos I'll be able to do yet tonight, but Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com, KINION Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call. Gorgeous 71 Ford Mustang Fastback. The 71s are, they're more popular than the 71s and 2s. The 70, they're way more popular than the 73s. This is kind of the end of the muscle car era in 71. So. Get out and do a little walk around here with you quick. Just a very, very nice looking fastback. And the body, the paint, and interior are beautiful. Sounds great, looks great, drives great. The right wheels, the right tires, the right spoiler. All it's missing is you behind the steering wheel. So give us a call, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. This car, you take this car to any car show you want, people flock all over it. The color, the under the hood. Drives really good.